have a spot for a taco, which is very good, el taconazo, and we try adobada and asada tacos, the most popular tacos in Mexico.
Yeah.
I mean, there is a lot of tacos shops around Tijuana, but adobada is very good. And adobada is the most, actually adobada is a strong.
Oh, I see. Oh, okay.
But our spot is a little bit better. Quite better.
They smell good.
Yes.
Yeah.
They smell good.
And then we went back to downtown Tijuana, and we have a spot for a margaritas here.
What's the drinking age?
18.
Did you say margaritas? Did you say
Well,
margaritas?
Yep.
how are you?
Drinking.
Perfect. And then we have a spot for souvenirs, like we have free time for souvenirs, like 25, 36, and we have tequila tasting to close the tour, and then back to the border.
That's the plan.
Usually it's here around 6, 620, 680. All the time depends on the group because sometimes groups. Yeah.
Yep. Yep. All right.
Is it crowded at that time?
No. Right now, maybe because a lot of people a lot of people in Tijuana. Well, there is a lot of people in Tijuana that has a dual citizenship. And that people cross the border every day.
Every day
They
back and
work
forth.
in Tijuana, but they work in San Diego. So the minimum wage, housing, all of that.
Was that either 2 hours across that?
In the morning, yes.
Okay.
For just to be the same channel, first we're going to the beach of Tijuana, which is a very iconic spot for us as a local migrants, because you will see the border there with another perception of the wall. And after that, we are going to a taco place, a taconazo, to try real and authentic Mexican taco, asada and adobada. And then back to the border to take a walk here on Revolution Avenue, which is the tourist area. And we have a spot for Hero Margarita.
Yeah.
The fair round is an us. You want to keep drinking more, it's up to you. And then we have a spot for 7 years. And then tequila testing, and then back to the border.
Okay, sounds
Do you have any question about anything here in Tijuana? If there's anything, just let me know. Okay? Perfect.
Thank you.
Right on.
Thank you, because
Trump's wall.
That
That ain't stopping nobody. At least in my opinion. I know I can hop that fence.
Couple recommendations. We are in a huge group right now. My recommendation is to try to be all the time together.
Yep.
And here in this area, we see some Euros, the border, because it's very iconic, which is you see the wall going to the ocean. And then we have like 20 minutes for yourself to explore the area. You want to buy some churros, mangoes, coconut, something.
Oh, they got the coconut?
My
Yeah.
recommendation
That's what I need.
Mexican bills or dollar, doesn't matter. Just if you need some assistance with me, let me know, because sometimes the change is in pesos. You'll be a little confused. But right now it's around 20 pesos for every US dollar, because most of the price here will be in dollar. And
Tijuana.
Para siempre, por
I smell pescado. A little beach town area. This is cool. Beach down there. What they got to drink here? I'm just gonna wait to get something to drink at the taco place. Like juice or something. Nah, this spot lit. Damn. Oh yeah, they drinking. They serving a good drink. This is the little strip. All right, they say this is the taco spot. Bienvenidos. Now this is what I tripped off of, like people in different countries, they're doing we never did temperature checks.
So we can pay with US dollars? Oh, you're paying.
Oh yeah? Oh. Yeah. That works. That works. Grab us a seat. This is the carne asada, and it is fire. How is it? Good? Better than 24th and Mission? Yeah, it's better than 24th and Mission. All right, this is the asada. Gonna pour a little bit of this extra hot sauce on here. Cause I ain't scared. You want that too? All right, let's go. All right, the birria taco. Hot and spicy too. And you can't be in Mexico without a Coke. So here we go. Susie already tore hers up. That's how it gets done. That's the real deal right there, boy. That's cooking. Oh. Yes. Farmacia Mercado. You can't drink it. No matter how bad you want to. I thought it was going to be way hotter than it is. I'm glad. Yeah, the breeze, it's the... Excuse me. We getting a good tour, seeing a whole bunch of different places in Tijuana that I did not think I would even get to see today. Wind chimes. Farmacia.
Pharmacies?
Huh? The tacos was bomb. Easily the best tacos I've had easily the best tacos. Wow. Is that the electricity? It's crazy.
Hey guys, right now we're going to this plaza. The name is Santa Cecilia. 90% of the population in Mexico are Catholics. I mean, we are Catholics, 90%. That's why there is a lot of cathedrals, churches, and Santa Cecilia is designed for the musicians. That's why there is mariachi there. So you have party at your home, just pull over here and ask for the mariachi. Hey, how much for play in my home? This is how it works here. That's why in that plaza there is norteño, mariachi, musicians. So we're going to this plaza and then we're going to the first market in town, El Coco Market. Yes.
Cool. Let's do it. The queso. You can smell the cheese in here too. Ah, see.
Thank you.
Yep.
So this pepper right here.
The piñatas. I wish I could. I want to grab a piñata, but that's too much to be carrying all the way back. But that would be dope to get one for the twins' birthday from out here. You can smell the spices. It's fresh sage.
The cathedrals there are around 400 years old. This one is like 95 years old.
95-year-old church. Nice building. Ooh, little chalices. That's what I want. Ooh, little. Find me one before we get up out of here. Nice little collector wooden pipe. Add to my collection of trinkets that I got from the travels. He must be important. Oh. Y'all was looking at the same things I was looking at. Y'all definitely been enjoying California then. Yep. All right, I think this is the spot for the margaritas. Just so you know where to go. You can come where I came. Up these steps. No joke.
Mango, tamarind, strawberry, lemonade. Lemonade is the traditional one.
But we had
mango and tamarind are the thing here. You want to try something?
I want strawberry.
Local, like tamarind or...
We had that mango last night. No, that's what that's your name. Nice rooftop spot. And we got it all to ourselves too. Looks like.
No liquor. Okay. This is strawberry.
Y'all's first one together, right? Yeah. Congratulations. Those are some good looking drinks. Yes, yes. Hey. strawberry margarita. That is good. This is real good.
The strawberry one is good.
How old are you?
Yeah,
How old are you?
20. Yeah.
Look younger.
She looks younger than 20.
We're waiting for her.
They tell me that all the time when I go out.
Yeah,
They're
sorry.
like, you're 37 years old. I'm like, I look 17.
Once again, the name of the place. They got the DJ here for us now too. It's a lit atmosphere. Up on the rooftop. The original. What a day. Didn't think we'd get into all of this. Mom drink. Word. Rooftop action in Mexico. Tijuana. Yes, yes. Good time up out here. What up, what up? Highway 1. I see that, I know I can get home. Going north.
It's more the bottle.
Here for a tequila tasting. Let's see what it do. A lot of good different brands on hand. We got the American.
Guys, you want to try the tequila tasting here, please?
Oh yeah.
The ones I'm going to show you first, they call tequila liqueur, okay? So they are sweet. They are not strong. This is a strawberry tequila.
Strawberry tequila.
They're like 20% only, like 40 proof. Hold your cup, okay?
Right.
Oh, sorry, girl. Hold your cup so you can try the other flavors, okay?
And that's the strawberry?
Hi.
Hello. Thank you.
The baby one?
Yep.
You're 21, right?
Don't she look young? Hold that for me.
He said 40 proof. That's
¿Qué brother? No, está bien.
Yeah.
You want to record you? Follow you?
Oh, she was supposed to have it. Thank you. Ooh.
Apple flavor, man.
Apple flavor?
I got this thing.
Apple flavor. Let's see how it goes down. Ooh. That is good.
Where is it?
Which one y'all like? You like the strawberry better?
You like almonds or coffee?
Almond.
Almonds?
Yeah. Ooh. The worm is in there?
Excuse me?
They were talking about the worm.
Ah, yes. Uh-huh.
Oh my god. Right?
That worm will get you lit.
It's almond.
Mm.
Yum. Put this in your coffee.
Put in your coffee, but huh?
Ooh, that is good.
You like coffee or not coffee?
Let's do it.
Coffee is nice. That's one of our favorites.
I ain't gonna need them to sleep on the train back to Diego. Coffee flavor. How is it? Good? The coffee? Oh, I mean, yeah, the almond was good.
Chocolate?
The strawberry? She doesn't like this one. Can she get
I just give it in.
What was that, the coffee?
Strawberry.
The strawberry?
I know.
This is a cream tequila.
A cream tequila?
That's a chocolate flavor.
Like a Bailey's?
Kind of like a Baileys,
Yeah. What's the name of the shop?
Victor's.
Victor's Liquor Store? Right on. Thank you, Victor. Let's see how this goes, man.
Coconut?
No, she's cut off. She's drunk.
Coconut?
Oh, no, I don't like coconut.
No?
I do.
Coconut is very nice. Coconut is very nice.
Right on.
Yeah. No, you know it.
Oh, vanilla? This is vanilla. This is coconut. Vanilla?
Oh, the coconut.
Coconut, that's one of our favorites too.
Let's see. Coconut.
Coconut.
Ooh, that coconut is bomb. That's fire right there. That's it. That coconut is the business. Oh. Oh. This coconut you could put in some coffee.
They'll come like this, now.
Oh. No.
I'm coming out of here with a bottle of that coconut. Where's the bottle of, how much is the bottle of coconut?
For a big bottle, that's $30.
That's $30? Yeah, I'm about to go home with one of them.
You want the regular tequila? This is our favorite silver tequila. That's the blue agave. That's the triple distill. That's our top of the line.
This is the top of the line?
Yes.
Top shelf?
Beautiful.
This is the one that gets you swerving? That's what this is right here?
She got a tattoo after she was her. Oh, the tattoo?
Beautiful. Regular tequila. Just leave it there.
Oh, I want some.
Really eat the whole thing?
Yes, beautiful. Same the worms.
For money? That's so weird. Why would they eat that?
It gets you drunk. Because he sucks up, the worm sucks up all the alcohol, so he's like the strongest shot you could. It's like in his pores.
This one is a 12-year extra añejo.
Yeah, I told you.
That's
12 years old?
12-year-old. My friends, want the 12-year?
12 years old. Down the hatch. Oh.
Want the 12-year? You want the scorpions? The worms?
I'm getting a bottle of that coconut. That's your.
You want to do the one with the scorpion? Or with the worm? Or the scorpion?
The scorpion? Ooh, hold on. He got a scorpion in the bottle. Oh, hell no. Ooh. Yeah, let me try that scorpion.
Oh, you're trying it?
Here,
Oh, you're gonna get any worms though.
No, I didn't get the scorpion.
California resident?
Ooh, it's got a different type of aftertaste to it.
Out of California, 2 per person.
I don't like that one. No, it's strong. The aftertaste.
This called mezcal. Same as this.
Yeah.
That's very smoky.
That's what it is.
That's
That's what it is. It's the smokiness. Yeah.
Tequila,
Yeah, that did have a smoky. Yeah, that is a good description.
Yeah, it's good.
Hey, let me get this. Let me get that bottle of coconut though before I get.
You like
Yeah,
the best? Okay.
yeah. I want that. I'm going home with that.
Perfect. Okay, let's see Fernando.
All right. Turned out to be a good tour. Time to head back to the border, back into the United States. They say this is like their walk of fame, like Hollywood style. But I don't see Selena, so it ain't, I don't know. Just crossed the border, back on the trolley. See you later, Mexico. It was a fun time. Until next time.